In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set a custom homepage on the DuckDuckGo web browser. By the end, you'll have your chosen website set as the homepage, and you'll confirm that it opens correctly when you start the browser and open a new tab. First, open the DuckDuckGo browser. Click to launch it from your desktop, taskbar, dock, or applications list. Wait for the main window to load so you're on the DuckDuckGo start screen or whatever page you last had open. Next, click the menu, which looks like 3 dots. You'll usually find this in the top right corner of the window. If you're on a device where the toolbar is at the bottom, the 3-dot menu will be there instead. Click it to open the drop-down menu. Select Settings from the menu. Click once, and the Settings page will open in a new tab or panel. Give it a second if it needs to load. Go to General. In the Settings view, look for a section or tab labeled General. If you see a sidebar, click General there. If the settings are in a single scrolling page, scroll until you reach the General section and pause there. Find Home Page or Startup Page. The exact wording can vary by version, but you're looking for the option that controls what opens when the browser starts or what the home page is. Scroll slowly so you don't miss it. When you see Home Page or Startup Page, stop. Click Set Custom URL. This tells DuckDuckGo you want to use your own website address instead of the default page. After you click, a field should appear where you can type or paste a URL. Enter your desired website URL. Click into the field and type the full web address for the page you want to use. For best results, include the full URL, starting with https://. For example, type https://example.com rather than just example.com. Take a moment to check for typos, because even a missing letter will prevent the page from loading correctly. If you already have the URL copied, use paste to avoid mistakes. Click Save. Look for a Save button or a confirmation control next to the field and click it. Some versions may show a check mark or a brief confirmation message. Wait for that confirmation so you know the change has been stored. Restart the browser. Close the DuckDuckGo browser completely, including any open windows, and then reopen it. Restarting applies your new homepage setting, so it takes effect on startup. Open a new tab to confirm the homepage. Click the plus icon to open a new tab, or use your new tab shortcut. You should now see the website you entered load as the homepage or startup page. Give it a moment if the site needs time to load. If the page appears, your custom homepage is set and working. At this point, you've set a custom homepage on the DuckDuckGo web browser, saved the change, restarted the browser, and confirmed it opens correctly in a new tab. Everything is now configured and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.